Leopard wrasses exhibit remarkable color changes throughout their lives. Juveniles are usually brightly colored with distinctive spots and patterns, while adults may have different coloration depending on their gender. These wrasses have a unique behavior of burying themselves in the sand when they feel threatened or at night when they rest. This behavior provides them with protection from predators and a safe place to rest. Leopard wrasses engage in cleaning behavior, where they remove parasites and dead tissue from other fish. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the leopard wrasse and the fish they clean. They are carnivorous and have a diet that includes small invertebrates such as crustaceans and mollusks. They are known for their methodical hunting techniques, often picking through sand and rocks to find their prey. They often live in small groups with a clear social hierarchy. The dominant male maintains control over a harem of females, and there is usually only one dominant male in a group. If the dominant male is removed, a female can change sex and take over the role of the dominant male. Juvenile leopard wrasses can mimic the appearance of other fish species or blend in with their surroundings to avoid predators. Their intricate patterns and coloration make them masters of camouflage. During breeding, males display vibrant colors to attract females. Spawning usually occurs in pairs, and the eggs are typically released into the water column, where they float and disperse with the currents. They are known for their intelligence and ability to learn from their environment. They can quickly adapt to new conditions in captivity and can even learn to recognize their keepers. This adaptability and learning ability make them fascinating subjects for studying fish behavior and cognition. They have been observed forming symbiotic relationships with sea anemones. They use the anemones for protection, darting into their tentacles unthreatened. The wrasses' slimy mucus coating protects them from the anemone's stings, allowing them to coexist peacefully.